All right, who is here on Christopher Gutierrez? All right, and counsel, is there going to be any applications?
You need to stop.
Oh, yes. Hello, Mr. Gutierrez. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012855 State versus Christopher Gutierrez. Could I have parties announced?
London Ways for Mr. Gutierrez.
And are you Mr. Gutierrez? All right, Mr. Gutierrez, Mr. Arguelles was appointed to represent you. Your previous counsel had a medical issue and asked that they be removed from your case. Your attorney is entitled to 10 days to prepare for trial. Of course, he was just appointed. Do you still wish to continue, or do you wish for him to have 10 days?
All right. Get it on done.
I'm sorry?
Get it on done with.
All right. And Mr. Arguelles, are you waiving your notice?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you had sufficient time to speak with your client and review the case?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gutierrez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment? Counsel, are you
Yes,
waiving
Your
the
Honor.
reading? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Gutierrez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. The punishment range is as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? I'm sorry? No. I'm going to go through it slowly with you. And if there's something, here's the thing. Take a deep breath. All right. So I'm going to go over this slowly with you. If there's something you don't understand, let me know. All right. And counsel, I know that you've explained this.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sometimes questions are complicated. So I'm just going to break it down. Do you understand you have a right to have a jury? That would be 12 people who would sit, and they would get a chance to hear whatever evidence the state would bring. And that evidence would be brought in the form of witnesses. Do you understand?
ma'am.
And your attorney would have a chance to cross-examine those witnesses. Do you understand?
Mhm.
And do you understand the state would not be able to call you as a witness if this were a jury trial? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because you're entering into this plea bargain agreement, the state is not going to call any witnesses. Your attorney is not going to get a chance to question any witnesses. Do you understand? And do you understand also that if anyone wants you to testify, you've given up the right to say, I'm not going to testify. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything you do not understand?
Mhm.
All right. Oh, thank you. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gutierrez, has anyone promised you anything than what the agreement is?
Oh, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to enter into this agreement?
Good, but I'm looking at it.
All right. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported? Do you understand?
Ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you won't be allowed to legally re-enter the United States. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you are going to be denied naturalization. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. This is your plea bargain agreement. Did you review it with your attorney? Did you understand it? So what you've agreed to is to serve 1 year in the state jail facility, there's $1,000 fine. What I can tell you is legally, whatever time that you've been in custody, I have to give you credit for that time. Do you understand? But for the court, your agreement is 1 year in the state jail facility and $1,000 fine. You're not applying for probation or deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? This paragraph, that's the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? When you sign that, that means that you're waiving your right to appeal. So you can't come back and complain about this plea unless your attorney has filed some motions. I've heard those motions and made a ruling on them. Do you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
So to the offense that you're charged with and this indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
No objections, Your Honor, for purpose of the plea.
All right, and state you may be excused. Did you review this document? It's the waiver and stipulations. All right. Again, you understand you can go to trial if you want to go to trial. You understand? All right. So did you understand and sign this document and all the places you should sign it? Did you understand that the state, again, they're going to present their evidence to prove your guilt by entering into the record police reports and any prior judgments that you have to prove jurisdiction. Do you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and stipulated to testimony of stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court is reviewing the same. All right, counsel, is your client stipulating that the person who's listed as S1 is also D1, and that is your client?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That the court follow the agreement.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money run concurrently. I'm going to give you credit for any time served. I'm going to suggest the therapeutic community or recommend that. It will still be up to you whether or not you want to be in that program. It doesn't increase the time in custody. It's just to help you with any type of issues you may have, be it mental health issues or drug issues. Do you understand? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Gutierrez, you're going to have to change, because you're going to get to a point where these state jail felonies, the range of punishment is going to end up being 2 to 20. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You too. Thank you, counsel.